Welcome back to Proper Academy, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to add contacts to your Microsoft Teams. It is pretty simple to do. So you guys want to open up Microsoft Teams and you will start off on this home feed page that you see right here. So you see that it says invite people right there. You can click on that button, or you can go to the top right just under the battery there and click on the little person with the plus sign, and then you can either share the invite link or enter email addresses. So we can click on enter email addresses, and then you just want to type in an email that will invite. And then once you're done typing in the email, you want to click on the little plus option and you'll see a check mark once it's done. So it's just going to load and you'll see the check mark right there, and you can continuously add more people. And what they'll see on their end is they'll receive something in their email with a red button just saying accept friend invite. And then once you have someone added, you'll be able to go down on chat, talk to them in a private chat, calls, and stuff like that. And that's how easy it is to add contacts to your Microsoft Teams. I really hope I was able to help you with this video. If I did, be sure to leave a like. And for more Microsoft Teams videos and other tutorials, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.